Welcome to this Tech for Everyone channel. And as we are talking about iPhone 11, I wanted to talk a little bit more about iOS 13 that is available. And of course, I've shown you the different phones that have the iOS 13 operating system. And what is interesting is in some of the tests that you might have seen this weekend, we did compare a little bit of the speed of iOS 13 on different devices. And of course, we've played around with the iPhones and played with games and started apps, shut down the phone and looked at how fast it actually boots up. It's obvious that from iPhone to iPhone, and there we tested the iPhone 7, the iPhone 10, and the iPhone 11. It's obvious that, so if you look at the iPhone 7, yes, it seems a little slower. But honestly, the performance is surprising. And I think this is an interesting aspect of iOS 13 where they've actually made a lot of, they took the care to really make sure that everything runs well and that it runs as smooth as possible. One of the biggest problems with iOS updates was always that older iPhones, people were complaining that it was slow. But here it's obvious that the care has been taken that it runs better. Also, I think it shows that the phones we have are darn powerful. And even the ones that are 3 or 4 years old now are so powerful that they can run today's technology well. So this is also something new and something that kind of is why the iPhone sales are down and the general smartphone sales are down, and that's really interesting to see. So whatever phone you have, iOS 13 will run well, and one of the key aspects also here is battery life. iOS 13 promises to have a different way of actually checking out battery life. So this is also an interest. Now, I want to also mention that we'll try to have as soon as possible some videos explaining the iOS 13 gestures and different settings, and we'll talk about all of that, including dark mode for the iPhones and iPads. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.